Yeah, so the winter pretty much turned to Yes, we finally booked the trip to the Midwest RepRap Festival. And when I say we, I mean Anton Månsson and myself. We're going to travel together from Sweden over to Chicago, where we're going to hook up with BombTech, and together with BombTech we're going to rent a car and do a little road trip southeast to Goshen, Indiana, where the Midwest RepRap Festival is. So this year is going to be better than ever. There are so many cool people coming. If you're not coming, I think you seriously should reconsider. It's gonna be a great time. And if you see me there, just come over and say hi, and we can have a chat about 3D printing, open source, OpenRC, or whatever you want to. And also, if you want to be a part of the OpenRC F1 World Championship, please let me know that you want to participate, either in the comments or just look me up on social media and let me know if you want to enter like a race, or if you want to be in a best build, most beautiful build category. I don't know. Let me know so I can forward this information to CNC. Things will be a lot easier for us then. Yeah! By the way, thanks Ben for the great tea. So in other news, we're in the middle of a move. I'm taking my family and picking things up, and we're going to move like 350 kilometers north of Stockholm to a little town called Järvsö. It's gonna be super awesome, but for the next couple of months everything is going to be about this move. So right now I'm putting everything in boxes, filament, 3D printers and everything going into storage for a couple of months until we've done the move. So yeah, that's it. That's a little update, and for now I'm going to get back to packing things up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what I do, thumbs up, share and subscribe, all that stuff. And until next video, take care, and I will see you there.